So the next thing I want to do is move the Speedo, because I think there it looks a little bit ugly and out of place. So what I want to do, I want to move it down here, somewhere down there, this bracket. So I found that bracket, it fits. Ignore me, I'm talking bollocks, I've changed my mind. Put it on there. So let's see what I can imagine here on this one. So, got a rough plan. Got some plastic on the wibbly wobbly hacksaw. Ready for that, and then give it a line. Get it all faced off. What we'll do, I'll start boring out. I'll go through with a 16mm drill all the way through, and then my biggest end mill, and then just start taking the middle out. I won't bore you with all of that. Now the tedious bit begins. So, width is good. Need to be 50mm deep. I reckon we're about 45. Ooh, how's that for a guess? I'll take 5mm out of that. That'll do, pig, that'll do. So that's the internals done. I'll spin it round. We'll make the outside the correct size that I want. Battery died on my camera, but I finished that piece. I did get the hole slightly out on the reset, but I can sort that out because it's on the bottom anyway and out of the way. But the rest of it looks okay. And nylon is a complete and utter ball ache to machine. So on with the clamping bracket for the frame. So it's all marked out. Let's get the centre bit bored out to 1 inch. Now it's time to get the 5mm pinch bolts done. One down, one to go. Here's hoping I've got my maths right. clamp fitted on the frame. Quite pleased with the way the hole turned out and everything. The clamping action, it's nice and tight, doesn't move. Give it a good shake, not going anywhere. So we'll now get marked out for the Speedo to go on. So got the fly cutter set up on my not dodgy clamping down in the vise whatsoever. I've hopefully got the angle set at 10 degrees. Let's give it a go and see what happens. Well, it sort of worked. It's scalloped out, crap finish. I'm really bad at grinding high speed steel. Get some holes drilled in for mounting the Speedo casing on it. Alright, time to bung some 6mm holes in. I tend to buy a lot of stuff off Facebook Marketplace, and you do get these handy little finds which are little studs that go in holes for marking little transfer punch things. Don't even know the name for them. They're really good for little jobs like this. I want it on that line, didn't I? Not the best. No, it's not quite right. Let's try that. Does it look about right? Yeah, it's not far off. Better. I'll show it some little marks in there. So that's the dry build done. Happy with that. To recess the screws in there, I've used one of them. Bit awkward, but managed to do it. So get the aluminium polished up, get it dressed up, fitted on the bike. That's all fitted in. Polish the aluminium up, get rid of a few scars. Didn't get rid of all of them. Still need to wire in the light, and there's a very small ding in there where I clamped in the vise from the ball, even though I did have a piece of copper in. But hey ho, that's annoying. But you know, the rest of the bike looks a bit rough anyway, but it's certainly cleaned up the bars at the front, so I'm happy with that. I need to get a short Speedo cable. Thanks for watching.